Hello, astrology lovers. As in this very system of astrology, predictions depend on cusps rather than traits of planets. Thus, it is essential to have an understanding of the 12 cusps to predict properly. So, in this very video, I will talk about the 12 cusps. The first cusp, ascendant or lagna. From the first cusp, we can understand general status of health and longevity, status of health with respect to a particular disease and longevity, and general pattern of life. From the second cusp, we can understand financial status, its quantum and sources, obtaining loans, its possibility and sources, repayment of loans, that is capacity to repay loans, from what resources person will be able to repay loans, recovery of lost money, that is apprehensions about not able to recover the lost amount, will person be able to recover the lost amount, recovery of lost and or stolen money, a person may have lost money in speculation or gambling or in business, or person's money must have been stolen. From the third cusp, we can understand success or failure of negotiations or appeals or communication, success as a journalist, success or failure in interviews, change or residence, favorable or unfavorable, rumor false or true, accident in journey, recovery of lost document. From fourth cusp, we can understand health and longevity of mother, sale and purchase of house, landed property and vehicle, gain or loss in profession dealing with items like agriculture, manufacturing goods, transport, educational centers, etc. Construction of house, success and failure in basic education, choice of subjects, recovery of lost vehicle, renting a house. From fifth cusp, we can understand health and longevity of first child, about potency, procreative power, pregnancy, childbirth, success and failure in love affairs, being an actor, artist, creative personal, sports personal, gain or loss in speculation. From sixth cusp, we can understand success or failure in competition, all about diseases, litigation, loans and overdraft facility, about servant or subordinates, gain or loss in profession, dealing with sixth cusp, signification. From seventh cusp, we can understand will it be an arranged marriage or love marriage? Will there be delay in and impediments in marriage? What will be the physical and mental characteristics of the partner? What will be the financial status and career profile of the partner? Will the partner enjoy long and healthy life? From which direction or locality the partner will come? What will be the quality and longevity of married life? Is there any chance of separation or second marriage? Is the partner capable to satisfy me sensually? Will my partner be capable to satisfy my sensual desires? From eighth cusp, we can understand serious sickness, operations, accidents, unnatural demise like accidents, air crash, drowning, earthquakes, fire, murder, suicide, etc., unexpected gains or losses, obtaining gifts, dowry and inheritance, receipt of insurance or provident fund, unearned income. From ninth cusp, we can understand health and longevity of father, all about higher education, second marriage, spiritual disciplines, and mystique initiations. Long journeys. From 10th cusp, we can understand, will person do a paid job or carry out his independent or partnership business or live without a professional status? Will person attain any status, administrative, financial, or social, through profession? Will person continue the same business or job throughout his life, or does it promise diversifications, development, etc.? When will he start earning through service or business? Will the native be able to carry out his professional activities smoothly or face setbacks? From 11th cusp, we can understand realization of ambitions, political status, health and longevity, or elder co-born, all about friends. From 12th cusp, we can understand imprisonment and release, loss of reputation, foreign journeys, residence abroad, secret activities, deception, fraud, treachery, risk from secret enemies, gain or loss from investments, capacity to repay loans. I appreciate you took time to watch this video, and if you found this video useful, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or queries related to astrology, then please feel free to connect with me with the information mentioned in the description box. I wish you have a wonderful day and stay safe.